Hey everybody, we thought we would show you our chart for keeping our data that we have for this incubation period. So when we first got our eggs, we wrote letters on them to mark them, and we wrote down a brief color description and a size by what we saw. And on day 1, May 2nd, we were checking for cracks and all were good. So the only one we put a comment on was X, which you'll notice is crossed out. It didn't make it. Then this is for all of them. They were looking really good, looking good. We had a little drama on May 5th, which was day 4, but everything's been looking really great since. And the exciting part is our second candling, which is we were checking for veins, marking air cells if it was obvious, and looking to see for some embryos, which we did see. So on our chart, and I'll go slowly so you can see it, A had veins that we could see, little red streaks, lines. B was too dark. You'll notice that a lot of the brown eggs were too dark for us to see. Some of the light brown eggs, we could see veins and an embryo, which looks like a little dark dot, sometimes moving, which was really exciting. And veins on that one, veins, you'll notice there's quite a lot that we could not see. On the buff colored ones, we were having a hard time telling what they looked like. If you could see little bits of things, but not very clearly. And with the dark ones, we couldn't see anything. Okay, the white one was pretty good, had veins. Our olive one, the green one we love, way too dark to see. That was like pitch black. We couldn't see at all with our candler. Blue-green, this one was exciting. Little embryo moving around. So most of them are looking really great. U is not looking so great. We think it might be a quitter. It looks like it might have what's called a blood ring, which means it's just not growing like we would hope. It means that the chick didn't develop yet. So we're going to keep an eye on that one and hope that we're wrong. If we aren't and we notice that it starts to stink, we'll be pulling that one out of the incubator before it can explode and get bacteria on the other eggs. And bacteria is just germs and things that would make the other chicks sick. So that's our chart. Our next candling will be in 3 days on May 11th, and we will be looking for the eye, and we'll mark the air cell growth, and hopefully we'll see more of them, and maybe we'll even have a better way of candling the dark eggs by then. Okay, thanks guys. Great seeing you virtually. Take care.